Hi, I'm Darren, and this is a Dolls Rescue channel. As you know, just a few days ago, I hope you know, how could you not know, how could you have missed it? We showed entries to our Australian Christmas. The theme was Australian Christmas. The concept was winter in the Southern Hemisphere, Christmas in the Southern Hemisphere. We had a lot of really cute entries. We hope that you got to see them and thought they were as cute as we did. We also said we'd pick out a winner, and that was hard. There was a lot, well, they were all amazing, and just to pick a winner out of people who spent that much time creating a video for us is a little humbling. We are honored that you all participated, and we had a few that were a little bit better than the rest, and picking from those was difficult. But we had to pick a winner. Well, we didn't, and in the end we didn't, but we picked Always Dolls. Always Dolls as the winner for the Australian Christmas. However, if you got us a video for the Australian Christmas, we still want to send you something. So anybody who entered, please contact us via email privately and send us your address, and we would like to send you a prize also. But the main prize, the prize we're going to give away, is going to Always Dolls. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching, mostly for participating, and have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!